Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make beautiful clips. DIY number 1. For the first clip, we will take a ribbon and cut it like this. Then, we will fold it and stick it. I am using Fevikwik. You can also use any glue. Now fold it and cut it as shown here. Then for decorating it, stick a stone. I'm here sticking 2 stones in one bow. If you want, you can stick more stone. Now paste it to the clip. Now our cute bow clip is ready. DIY clip number 2. For making it, take 1 glitter sheet of your choice and then make a flower and cut 2 pieces. Now stick them on the clip. Do the same with the second clip. Now stick a stone in the middle of it for decorating it. Do the same with the other. Ready! For the third DIY clip, you will need 3 color glitter sheets of your choice. Then cut them into stripes and stick them on the clip. You can decorate it in 2 ways. If you want, you can stick a cloud on it to decorate it. Or you can stick a cute bow on it. These are the 2 ways in which you can decorate your clip. Now our bow clip is also ready. Fourth DIY clip. For this, first, you will have to take a circle cutted cardboard sheet and paste cloth on it. Then do the same with the bottle cap and cut the excess. Now paste both of them together. Now take the clip and stick it in the back of the hat. I'm using Fevikwik. If you want, you can also stitch it. Take a ribbon and make a bow as shown in the video. Now our bow is ready. Now paste it on the hat and put a little stone in the middle. Now our cute hair clip and all of the clips are ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.